Hello, boys and girls. Hi. This is RidewTed. I'm Ted. We're back out on the bike. Holy crap, it's been almost 2 weeks. What the hell? Well, you know why. Yeah, the weather's been crappy. It's been rainy. It's been cold. Today's been the first day, and even today is kind of suspect because there's a chance of rain, but it's holding off for a little. So I took the chance. I said, screw it. I haven't been out. I'm taking the bike out, and here I am. Today's mission, if you're ready to accept it, is get lottery tickets. That's where we're headed. We're going to get lottery tickets today. The camera's a little on an angle there. I'm kind of like leaning a little bit, but it's okay. So off to get lottery tickets today. I don't know where I'm going though. I know, oh, lottery tickets, you're wasting your money. Oh, yeah. And there's a whole story behind that, and I will gladly share it with you soon. Not going to get gas today. This tank that's in here now is, well, it's good. I got enough fuel in here. So no traditional gas stop. That doesn't mean it's not going to happen at some point. How you been? Oh, yeah, it's been kind of weird. I mean, I hope you enjoyed that that race video I did with the with RidewTed, the virtual race. It was a lot of fun. I enjoyed it. I've done a couple others since, but I haven't obviously I haven't posted them. I haven't decided what I'm doing with that yet. Time has also been an issue. Haven't had a lot of it. You know how that goes, right? We're actually going to go meet brother Tim, and he's going to take a ride with me. Not with me on the bike with me, but with me as in with his own bike. Just a little noodle around, you know, nothing special. Get my lottery tickets. I do the, yeah, once in a while do the Mega Millions, and very rarely will I do the Powerball, but most of the time I do the Cash 5 drawing, because the odds are better. Not that that means anything, you know. So what I do is I do the Cash 5, you know, and the payouts are roughly $100,000. So, and that's fine. You know, I don't need a gazillion dollars to be great, but I don't need that, right? So I've been doing, even back in New Jersey, I would do the Cash 5 back in New Jersey. But I've been playing the lottery consistently since I got out of the Navy back in the 80s. Consistently. And I actually, now, a few years ago, I actually took the time to figure out how much money I have spent on lottery tickets over the course of these 40-something years that I've been playing the lottery. And the total came out to something like $15,000, right? And you know, that doesn't seem like much. Well, you think about it. You play $1 a day for a year, that's $365. You multiply that times the number of years, and you get a nice number. But yeah, and it may be even a little more than that. But how much have I won? Oh, this is probably the most infuriating part about it. It makes you wonder. I don't know. And then you're gonna say, "Oh, why do you bother?" Well, why not? Honestly, I have won less, but in playing the lottery, I've won less than $300 in these 40 years I've been doing this. Less than $300. The most I've ever won at one time was, I think, $165. My dad way back when, back in the 80s, he actually won $7,000 in the lottery back in New Jersey. He won $7,000. And he missed the sixth number by like 1 or 2 digits, and he could have won a couple million, but many moons ago. I've come close to some bigger numbers, but it's not the way the fates do it. All right, let me get back to you in a second. All right.
2 hours later.
All right, so lottery tickets have been purchased. I'm all set to win my millions. Not really. Funny thing. Okay, so I go into the store, I buy my lottery ticket. I usually get, like I said, the cash 5, and I buy a 14-day ticket. Okay, so that's good for 2 weeks. Great. So my brother goes in and he buys a $30 scratch off. He wins $100. And then he says to me, I got another one at home that I won $200 on that I haven't cashed in yet. Like, are you kidding me? Unbelievable. This guy, it's just, been playing for 40 years and I haven't won squat. He plays once in a while, wins hundreds of dollars. Not fair. Anyway, funky thing, the inside of my helmet smells like dirty laundry. What the hell? It smells like dirty laundry. What could that be from? Mildewy. I have to wash the liner, I guess. Ew. So anyway, everything else. Ooh, am I feeling raindrops? Well, I don't know. Maybe not. So I was just out here for a little cruise. Just thought I'd say hello and take you along on a lottery ticket trip. Tell you that my helmet smells funky. And what I'm going to do now is head on home, take the doggy for a walk. Yeah, I think I'm going to do this. I'll just do a little cruise ride just for the hell of it. It's always good to get out. So I'm contemplating doing my first Saddle Sore 1000. Ain't that gonna be fun? I'm just having difficulty planning the route. I don't know which way to go. It's going to be an interstate run. It's going to be get on the highway and just go for... here's the other thing. Should I just go 500 miles, turn around, come back? Or should I go to full 1,000 miles, chill out for the night, and then take a leisurely cruise back? But then that becomes 2 saddle sores in a weekend. And a doggy is running on the highway, and he shouldn't be. Silly. Yeah, so I don't know. I mean, I don't know. I've plotted several routes to take, and one of them is all south. I can go all the way. I can go south on 95, all the way to, like, believe it or not, Daytona, and turn around and come back. That would give me the 1,000 miles. Then the other option was I take Interstate 20 and go to just about Birmingham, Alabama, and come back, and that's 1,000 miles there. Other option is to take Route 40, polling place, is to take Route 40, and that'll take me just about to Knoxville, Tennessee, turn around, come back, and that's 1,000 miles. And the final one would be to go north on 95, but that would be a shit show because I'd have to change. I'd have to figure something else because I wouldn't get I wouldn't get through Baltimore and all that. Now, maybe Baltimore, and that's just a shit show, and we don't want to do that. So I don't know. So I'm trying to figure it out. And the other one I thought was, oh, check this out, is just to take 95 South all the way down and go to Key West, and then come back just a little bit, and that'll be 1,000 miles. I'm kind of liking that idea, but I have to change highways like 3 times. Because I have to go 95, then I'd have to go to Florida Turnpike, then I have to get on the Florida Turnpike, and then Route 1. So I don't know. I'm thinking about it. So we'll see what happens. I'm figuring it out. But that's it. I'm gonna get home, take doggy for a walk, and get this video out. And that's about it, kids. Well, okay, boys and girls, that's it for this video. So this was kind of a nothing video. I just went out, just cruising around, and just nothing. That's it. Just nothing. But yeah, I played the lottery. Told you about that. Told you about the saddle store, and that my helmet stinks. I got a stinky helmet. But that's it. If you enjoyed this video, then you give me a thumbs up, as always. Subscribe down below, please subscribe, and then comment, because I'll respond, you know that, and tell all your friends about my stupid channel. All right, and that's it, and I will see you in the next video real soon. Now that the weather's getting nicer, I can get out and ride, but it's gonna rain for the rest of the week, so that's it. I'm lucky I got out today to ride. So that's it, boys and girls. See you next time. Peace out.